How's it going there, guys? Hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Hope you're doing something to elevate your own vibration and to have a positive energy kind of day wherever you are. Today, I want to talk about false awakenings. So the title of this video will most likely be "What are false awakenings?" And so I want to go over my own experience with false awakenings, so that I think by just explaining my personal experience with it, the 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 definition of what it is will be explained. And so, some years ago, when I was younger, I had a particular false awakening episode, but where it was 3 layers deep. Let me explain that. So I was just in a dream, and I became lucid. My awareness, my conscious awareness, my mind, everything was completely awake and aware within the dream, and I was just doing my thing, engaging with different dream characters, and flying around and exploring and doing all the things you do in a lucid dream. And I felt like my physical body was about to wake up. So I kind of got pulled back into my body, and then I woke up, and I was assuming that I was awake in my ordinary reality, my ordinary human reality. And everything was very similar. Everything looked like the way it should look, you know. And it was and I got up, and in what it turned out to be is a dream, because again it was a false awakening, 3 layers deep, right? So this that would be the second dream I was in, which I thought was completely reality. And I ate my breakfast. I remember washing my hands, getting in my car to get to the freeway to drive to work. And as I'm driving in the car on my way to work, I start recognizing that my car looked different, and it was a different. I mean, the interior, everything was the seats, everything was just different, well off of what it should look like. And I remember looking at it and thinking, "Oh, I'm in a dream. Wait a minute. I was just in a dream, went lucid, thought I woke up, and now I'm finding myself in another dream." Um, and then I became lucid again. So then I became lucid two layers down, basically. And and then when I became lucid, then I kind of got freaked out a little bit, and I was like, "Whoa! I thought I totally woke up in reality in my human body." And so it really, really freaked me out for a second. And so I immediately, consciously, with my mind, my thoughts, had the intention to just get right back to my human body, and and just and really wake up, because that's like your first impulse. That's like the first thing you end up trying to do when you go 2 layers down. You're like, what's going on here? So I did that, and then I thought I woke up again, in my human body. And everything looked normal again. The bedroom, the ended up eating breakfast again, and doing a few things, and I think even writing some notes down on a piece of paper, and even the words, the letters, everything I was writing it accurately, because a lot of times in out of body experiences, lucid dreaming experiences, if you try writing things, numbers, names, messages, whatever, you'll see how there's fluctuations with what you're writing. So if you write "Have a nice day," and then you'll write it, but then some of the letters on nice or on day might flip or reverse or turn to different letters, and then it won't. The message might change. But I was like writing stuff down, and so I thought I was totally awake in my human body once again, awake from that second layer down, second lucid dream in a row, right? And then I'm going to work again. I'm driving to work, and the car looks like normal, right? And then I'm duped, you know. I'm totally thinking I'm awake, you know, in my human experience. It was hilarious. I just can't believe I was down 3 layers and still, you know, getting duped, tricked, right, by the dream, and by the subconscious mind, and then what happened then was there's usually a lot of traffic. You know, on that particular freeway going to the office I worked at when I was younger, there's like bumper to bumper traffic when you get to this certain freeway interchange, and then my exit was a little after that to go down the main, you know, boulevard to where the office was. And I then noticed that there was no traffic. I'm driving, so I'm 3 layers down this third dream, and thinking I'm totally awake that time. And when I critically observed, you know, when I actually looked at the road, and I was like, where are the rest of the cars at? There's nobody on this freeway. And so that's when I was like, oh shoot, am I in my 3rd dream in a row now? And thinking that I was awake, right, in real life, hence false awakenings. So I became lucid that 3rd time then, you know, once I critically observed, this critical observation occurred, you know, through my own consciousness. And I was like, wow, I can't believe this. And then I got really freaked out and scared, and I was like, whoa, I'm 3 layers down, and you know, am I ever going to actually wake up in my regular human body, regular human experience? If any of you have experienced like these false awakenings, you know, once or 2 layers down or 3 or whatever, leave it in the comments. Let everyone hear about your experiences. You know, I'm freely expressing myself, and everyone else should too, because we can all learn something from all these different experiences that we're having. So 3 layers deep. So then I woke up from that 3rd lucid dream in a row, and then finally was in my regular human body in this, you know, physical reality. And at first I was like double checking things, you know, but I knew because I play guitar. And I remember the first thing I did that time I woke up hoping it was in a 4th layer down, was I went to my guitar and I just started playing it. And then as I was playing it, I was like, oh, no, I'm awake. And then I was awake. So I kind of used my guitar as my own reality checker, so to speak, in that situation. But anyways, again, just wanted to explain my own experience slash definition, so to speak, of what false awakenings are. And I want to hear about yours down below. Also, like the video if it's something you found interesting. And also, don't forget to subscribe to Consciousness Awake so that you can get notifications and alerts and etc. About new episodes being uploaded. All right, so peace. Have a wonderful day, guys. Again, sending you tons of positive energy always.